To see what impact Ukraine's drone army has on the battlefield, we only need to watch this video, as drones can work as small super maneuverable missiles, compared to still important but much slower and bigger artillery system, like Russia's Msta-S self-propelled howitzer. As the artillery system carries a lot of ammunition and has very low armor, these are at high risk of burning up or blowing apart by FPV drones. As seen when a Ukrainian drone hit this system, the chain reaction started out slow, but after a while the rest of the ammunition detonates in a massive explosion, completely obliterating the system, destroying another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.